guys, it's Nuke Channel here. I'm with my friend Aaron and Ivan and my brother Eddie. We're gonna play with Nerf guns, the laser ops. He's setting it up, and I'll be back when we get it on. So we got the game started. I don't know who won right now. Wait, where's the phone? Where's the phone with the stuff? Who won?
Oh, you can't, but I didn't.
Huh?
I think that's all.
But we have this phone. We have this phone.
Yeah.
Well, here they're doing the laser ops. Where the heck? Well, he got killed.
Your turn.
My turn.
Yeah.
Okay, you take the camera. Hey, you're blocking me. You're blocking me.
Starts in 3, 2. Many have to be red. 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. Go. That fast. I'm gonna get my brother now, okay? Aaron, you hold it.